They gone did it again. You guys, we're at a taxi garage. Son of a gun. So these showed up the other day. And so did this. You tried to procure. Can't see my receipt. Don't talk, y'all. Stickers, much appreciated. Oh, I forgot about that.
What, they sent you stickers?
No, the foot pedal. I ordered a silver foot pedal.
Sweet.
All right, this is serious. Oh, hold on. Let's just get this out of the way. It's that CST directional. Holy hell, that's heavy. I knew they were busy. I knew they were busy when I placed my order. I did not expect it to come through as fast as it did. Oh my. Wow. And that must be the controller. Oh my. Goodness. Dude, feel how heavy that is. Oh. Dude, feel how heavy that is. Oh. You can just set it down wherever after, but God. That's so freaking beautiful.
I think that's just like spark.
Really?
Yeah. You gotta be careful on that one.
They probably power them up to make sure they all work and stuff. Charge left in it, some little residual electricity. I do believe casters, tires, and a specific tool for the casters. Ooh, stickers. Another solid tire. Strips. Tool. Most helpful. Heavy duty casters. With the inner tube. Beautiful. Beautiful. Sometimes they need to get broken in to spin freely. Watch your head. Hand loose. Yeah. All right, and oh, I'm scared to move it because I've done so much sending since I installed it.
These here are stock?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, the stock Razer Crazy Cart controller. 250 watt, 24 volt controller. Pushes it to its max, and that's why we see this motor get hot so much quicker. Is this good? This might be tricky. Getting it out around that motor. We need that too. Huh. That is a dinky looking chain. And we are done with this. All right, but remember, some of that's going to stay out for slack. Is that feeling tighter? Yeah. Now this is about to come in super handy. Not yet though. This would be a lot easier if you take the wheel off first, of course. Yep. You need that, by the way. Now this should be easier with the wheel off. Taxi Garage sends you these attached to the new caster. The other one came out as one piece, of course, but I still say it's probably easier to take the wheel off. Remember, you need that lock washer. Once those threads catch, it's real easy to tighten by hand. And that's when this comes in handy. Now, I did pick up red Loctite, but I'm not using it yet. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a finished Stage 3 500 watt 36 volt TG Crazy Kart. There's really only one thing left to do. Smoke what's left of that tire. So it's dirty already now, but god dang, that teal, those wheels. Ugh. It gave me an opportunity to mess with my headset bearings a little bit too, but I'm just running on a very, very bald tire. Have you haven't seen this thing move yet, have you? Oh god, dude, I'm so sorry. Yeah, man. Just so much torque now. And this is uphill. Oh my gosh. Those caster wheels, again, what a difference. On the XL, I'd say they're necessary. And I've said it before, but on this, they're necessary. I'm telling you, this one's fast now, man. It is stupid fast. Whew. Oh. Throwbacky. Just barely. Welcome to my office. I'd just like to mention a few things real quick. We did do that tire. Well, one of them. We put the CST directional on the XL. I'll show that here. And quickly realized the valve stem on my regular size, standard size Crazy Kart was actually broken. So, they say if you take that wheel apart without letting the air out, the rim will like, oh, I don't know, spontaneously combust or something. I guess that means I have to pop it because I can't let the air out of it with a broken valve stem. That's okay. We've tried. We'll keep trying, as you've seen. We will pop it, and then a knobby air tire will go on that. The CST does great on the XL. Perhaps even too grippy for people that like to just slide around and not go super fast. I just want to mention that even with help, we both broke our backs, and me and my buddy, but it was worth it. You recovered. Me nor my friends are in no way mechanics, so this took forever. What Taxi Garage makes look like an hour's worth of work took us 4. But I'm sure, you know, now that we've done it once, it'll go smoother next time. Now that box. So, remember this? A 2023 blue standard size crazy cart. Now this definitely gave my son a chance to get used to things without them being too crazy or fast, which is awesome. He helped me unbox it. He loves it. And thankfully he's gotten quite used to it already too, because as y'all are about to see, we're gonna build a 900 watt. I'm thinking I abandoned the XL or anything. It's not like that. We're doing that too. I still can't believe they painted that neck for free. Like, of course I paid for the motor, everything except the paint job. They were busy, they were doing things, they were traveling. You can see that all on their IG. And it did take them a week to ship it to me. Who cares? Use your brain. They were busy. And it still showed up super fast, in my opinion, and with a free, immaculate mermaid candy paint job. Guys, I can't thank y'all enough. That's why I'm like, Taxi Garage. And I know there's a lot of other stuff out there, but we're soon to be expanded into some new territory too. There's gonna be a lot of cool stuff to come. You just wait. I can't wait to show y'all what's up next. Seriously. So stay tuned. This is gonna be a blast, y'all.